What you doing, Jeff?
Icing down the cooler.
Waffle House, Jeff.
I'll show my wife for that.
All right, we just had a delicious, nutritious breakfast at the Waha. Wahoo.
Wahoo.
Oh
Wahoo.
gosh, I blew it. I blew it. I had one line.
I'm not re-recording it. Don't start again.
All I had to say was
Wahoo. That was your only line, was Wahoo.
C5 red. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
We just got hit. We'll be right back.
I just see messages. Hi Jeff, what just happened?
We just got hit in a parking lot. Destroyed your rear fender.
Quarter, we got a little scratch. Jeff just popped it back out.
I repaired most of the damage in 10 seconds.
It's all right. I think we'll live with it. Hey, that's what happened. You drive a car, what it's supposed to be driven.
If you're not looking for it, you can't see it.
What do you think, Jeff? Is it more valuable or less valuable than it was?
It's the same. Same valuable.
All right, let's roll. Let's roll with it.
I can't believe we just got hit.
I'm backing up now. I'm going to say it's a no fault. It just happened. It was happenstance. We both backed up at the same time. He caught me in the quarter panel. We're good. It's all right.
I already did all the repairs.
You did all the repairs. That's true. Some dangerous stuff happened on the highways. One of the Volkswagen guy, the Speedycop, it's reported on Facebook. That's where we get all our news.
He got rear-ended by a dump truck.
News to me. All right. 80 miles to go.
Onward.
Well, yeah, I'm Jeff Wallenberg. I live here in Newark, and 70 Super Bee, and this is a true WM Super Bee, and it came with a Coronet. Guy was going to rebody it. This is original plum crazy purple Ram Air Hood 4-speed car, and I put a 383 4-speed in it, and disc brakes on the front, and we drive it everywhere.
Wow, that's great.
And it's I just put it together with Tapcon screws. I put the door panels on with Tapcons. I put license plates on the floor to cover the holes. Charger seat, whatever I had laying in the parts bin, that's what went on. All these guys say, oh yeah, we got an old car. Those are true belted tires. All these guys, they won't put radials on it. No, you got to be period correct. So those are the old Kragers and old belted tires. And it drives, yes, like shit.
Crazy.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, everybody loves it.
My name's Scott. It's 51 Henry J, and I'm from Fayetteville, Georgia. This is my second year. Went last year, and it's a great time. Sunscreen and an umbrella. A lot of traffic. Yeah, you gotta be ready to wait around a little bit, but it's worth it. Did the engine and a lot of the interior work. It's 5.5 hours to the first stop, and it was a good ride.
Oh, down the track?
You're gonna run me a 16 seconds.
Oh, all right. What, 350s?
Yeah, 350.
All right, great. Well, good luck.
Thank you.
Grady. I'm from Newark, Ohio, and this is my 1923 Model T. We got the engine out of a 69 Impala. Took us a long time to build, you know, just for finding parts and stuff. But other than that, it's just a fun car to drive around. I don't have to worry about cleaning or anything. Oh man, I love it so much. This is my first year. Oh man, it just takes a lot of time, but stick with it. I'm gonna give it a hot second and a half.
How far away from home are you?
20 minutes.
Oh, that's no fair.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Like,
Call Dad, go get the trailer, come on.
Yeah, I know. Well, he's here.
I don't see any holes or anything.
Hey, one more thing. We gotta wrap this one last thing. What are we gonna say?
We could wrap it up on the interstate.
Oh.
You need to
Well, you
time
can.
lapse getting out of here.
All right, time lapse. Did you get that on tape?
$2 hours. We got to make it to the track. Otherwise, the whole trip's been wasted.
Just because you don't win today don't mean you can't win tomorrow, Jeff. Can't win
If we
tomorrow.
don't get there before they close, we don't get a long hauler.
We got till 6. They'll close at 6. We can make it. If we can make it there, Jeff.
We can make it anywhere.
Because this lane is made for you and me.
As I was driving, going down this lane, nobody's moving. We're back up in traffic. We're not gonna get there because they're all stopped. This lane was made for everybody in the entire world because we're all stacked in line.
It was made for the power tour, this lane. This lane. Alright, we'll see you on the flip side.
See you on the flippity flop. Answering the age-old trivia question, what drink was Jeff looking for? Baja Blast Zero.
Got it. Is that a dent in my quarter panel? Is that a dent?
No, it's not.
Let's see it better. See it better in the light. Junkyard life.